Yeah, we got a power line down right off of Route 83 and Butterfield Road here. It's been burning for quite some time now. You can hear the transformer still humming. Fire department are on the other side there. There's a off-ramp, which is, I believe, from 83 to eastbound Butterfield. They got it all blocked off. Funny, nobody's here, and it looks like too the power line is sitting on the fence that runs along there, and nobody's over here to protect it. I was here a little earlier and it was a lot more intense. I don't know if the camera's picking up the hum of the transformer.
What is it? A wire down?
Yeah. Motherfucker! Did you see that? I'm shaking from the noise and the feeling from that. And I'm probably a good 100 yards away. I think the power's out. Yeah, we had a lightning strike earlier. We believe it hit one of those transformers right there. And that line was down. It's been probably going for at least a good half hour.